Hi everyone! Today I will tell you some interesting facts about crows. Crows are family engaged and they spend time with every relative. Younger crows stay with their parents for a long time. Crows often stay with one partner. Crows murder each other. Do you know why? That's because maybe a crow is trying to harm its mates, and the crow will defend it by killing the crow. Crows will eat almost anything, even decomposing animals, which spread diseases. Crows are really intelligent animals. They have been found to use to spy on fishermen, and when the fishermen left, those sneaky creatures come down and get the fish from the holes they have made. Crows can recognize human faces and never forget. Crows give their owners names. That's defined by a unique sound crows make around their owners. Crows use and manufacture tools so that they can get food. A group of crows is called a murder. Crows love to hang out at cemeteries. And the last point is, when crows die, crows moan and figure out what has killed their partner. So when they figure out what killed their partner, they chase the predator away. That's all my crow facts. Bye.